1, push not approved.
Push not approved, number 1, final.
533 Whiskey, continue taxi now to Delta, November, and then
Delta, November, and then Delta, is that, so that's through Qatar then, for 21153 Whiskey?
Well, that's given a choice. You can go through Qatar or November Alpha 1, whichever suits you.
Okay, hello. You want to Charlie Romeo requesting push, center.
Either 16 Charlie Romeo, Sun 02, push is approved.
Push approved, and I'll be clear the cross speed at the end, DZ01, Charlie Romeo.
Ensure established at your tug release point, AFAM.
DZ16 Charlie Romeo. Road bus surrender 46 for course, 10 to 2 will get start up and pushback.
Assume 464 Golf, Roger, hold position, I'll have to call you back.
Roger.
Scan moving 4608, hold Alpha 1 Tower 118, decimal 625, bye bye.
Hold on for 1.